Hi, I'm Nancy Hill from the Rubber Buggy, and today I'm showcasing a gorgeous die from Sizzix. And isn't this gorgeous with the way it cuts out and embosses at the same time? This beautiful paper is for a Stamperia Hortensia paper collection, and boy is it gorgeous, and it's available from the Rubber Buggy. And these are the two ones that I'm doing today, demonstrating today what they look like. This is how thick they are. So you're going to want to take and adjust your die cutting machine, and sometimes Holtz even has it taped when you put it through the machine, and so that your die doesn't move. But my die doesn't move because what he also wants you to do is take water to your cardstock, then put it in the die cutting machine, and it cuts it out at the same time. And look at this gorgeous embossing it does at the same time. But you'll definitely have to slightly spray it with water to get this embossing, otherwise it will not do that. These are the examples of some of the colors I applied. I went ahead and used gold, silver, or prima brass, and these are still available at the Rubber Buggy, but supplies won't last long. And look at the gorgeous Sizzix that cuts out like this, and the different ways of putting waxes and having the gold on black or the gold on white. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at the silver and how gorgeous that looks there. Now we go to the other die, and look how gorgeous that is with the white and the silver, or white with gold, or white with black. And there again, all I did was brush it on for some of these ones that I want to go deeper in the detail, or I used a sponge to lightly do the surface. This one I did a little heavier with this brush, but look at the gorgeous shine that is, and the vintage look that you get. And here's the one that's with white with brass. So there again, here is the Sizzix Impressionist available. They also, the one I'm not showing today, they do have a scallop, a mini scallop, and a large scallop, and they are just gorgeous. Now, I just wanted to show a little project where I went and took to make a tag. You can see my hands are all full of this because I used my fingers too, and just brush it on the side. I used a little bit of brass, a little bit of gold, and then I can go ahead and take my paper collection from Stamperia and add this there, and I cut out this gorgeous sentiment, and I can add that there. And then if I wanted to, I can add a little butterfly to it and have a beautiful tag like this one, connect it to a present with this gorgeous die. So there again, look how I sponged it on, and the different, it looked very distressed. And then the little butterflies and the handmade flowers. I used some Nouveau drops in this, and I just cut her out and cut out the butterflies. But there again is this gorgeous Sizzix die that I think you'll want in your collection. So thank you for stopping by.